everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome my old subscribers as well as my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And those that have not subscribed to me yet, I welcome you too. Welcome everyone to Deals with Lady P. Today I want to share with you an unboxing of my brand new Instant Pot. I have one sitting over here. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like it's in the camera. This one my two girls brought me for Christmas, and it's an 8-quart, and I loved it so much. I've been experimenting with it, and I always wanted a pressure cooker, and I always was scared of them. But this pressure cooker is different than them old stovetop pressure cookers. It won't let you open it up. It's not gonna blow up on you, I don't think, but it won't let you open it up unless the little knob go down. So I've been enjoying it, been trying out different recipes that I'm going to be bringing to you, and I liked it so well I had to buy another one. I brought a 3-quart. This is an 8-quart, and to me the 8-quart is a nice size for my family, so like cooking meats and stuff like that in it. But I wanted something smaller to cook like my grits, like small dishes, rice. If I'm cooking meat in here, I have taken this, washed it out, turn around, put another food in it, maybe some rice in it or something like that, some vegetables, and back and forth. So I'm going to get another insert for that one, but I figure if I get a small one, 2 things could be going at the same time. I could be cooking my rice. I thought about some oatmeal, cook oatmeal in it, you know, just smaller batches. Like it's an 8-quart, so it's a big pot, and the pot, you know, be down like this, so I don't need that. So I brought another one, and I'm gonna share with you what it looked like. Now it's a little different than this one, so let's get started on the unboxing. I'm so excited, and so I'm going to start using this because we cook our grits for a long period of time. I like them nice and creamy. So I know the grits was the main thing I thought about, and I thought about the rice. You know, like a small, like 2 cups of rice or something like that. So let's see what's in it. Okay, a box inside a box. Okay, so this is, I love it, I love it, I love it. So a box inside a box. So it just has the Instant Pot, and then it has the pot and the inner pot and the top, and the different things on here, and there's different things that you can make. But I love it. It has a saute. So this is not a rice cooker. It's the same as this one. It's just small. This is a 3-quart. So I am so happy. Let me get started and get down to the real thing in here. So on here has included, you can see it has included accessories, and it comes with, well, I'm going to take it all out, so we just go through it. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting. When my daughters brought me the large one, I let it sit around for a little while, and they was like, you just let that sit around, you won't open up your box. And maybe I was a little nervous, but one day I heard her tell my other daughter, she said, you know what, I think we did a good job on buying the Christmas present this year. She said, because she keep trying it, she really likes it, and I could tell. So they were really happy that I really enjoyed this one. They say I'm so funny. Okay, we got a nice little Ultra, and this model is the Instant Pot Ultra. It's the Instant Pot Ultra series. So this is the so this should be a little bit different than the one I have, and this is the recipe book. And then, which I have one of these, but it comes with just like quick instructions, reference guide. So I have one of those, and this should be interesting because they got to learn how to use the doll. This one's gonna have a doll, so that's that. And let's take this apart. Okay. This is the This is a spoon, the ladle, and I think this is the rice spoon, and this is the ladle, and this is, I think they said this is the, I think this is supposed to be the rice cup. I think that's what came with the other one. This is the rice cup. It's 3/4, so it's not a full cup. I don't know why it didn't have, because you normally do a cup, but this is 3/4, and I didn't use the other one. And this goes the condenser. It goes on the back. I know that one from the old one. It's not old anymore. It's still new. And this is the cord. And I'm gonna take this cord out because I'm gonna try to do the water test. Oh, it's so cute! I love it! Look at it! It's so little and cute. My sister will love this because she loves little things. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Look how cute it is! Oh my God! It looks like a rice cooker. It looks like a rice cooker. Isn't it cute? I love it. I love the Instant Pot. I have fixed, like I've been experimenting, but I'm gonna be, once I get some recipes down, I'm gonna bring more recipes. And the way the eggs cook, I just love it. But isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. I did go, look at this top with the little silver stainless on it. Isn't it pretty? I love it. This is beautiful. Now, rack. Now look how low this thing is. Now my rack has the little handle, so I'm gonna have to definitely order some accessories to go along with it, because this one should have handles, so you sit it at the bottom and you ain't got nothing to pick it up. But this is the pot. This is so perfect. This is like really what I need both of them. I don't need the 6-quart. I just think the 8-quart, especially with my size family, 8-quart is perfect for my size family because it's larger. But this got a little warning. Just the way this one, it looks here. Got a little warning there. And just the way it look on the inside. And this is the front of it, the dial. And see, that front is like the buttons. So I'm going to have to get used to this. But it's shining. It is beautiful. Woohoo! I love it. And I guess I have to take this off. And let's see. I don't know which way this goes. This the beginning. I mean the front of it. So there you go. It locks like this. It's a little bit different on the top than mine's is. I understand it should be a little bit better. It is so pretty. This might be a counter display. And this is the pot. Isn't this perfect size? Perfect size for a cup of rice, 2 cups of rice. This is the max. The max is, I don't know, it says 2/3. I guess that's where you pour your water to. But it is so perfect. And then you could do like little miniature desserts in it and everything, and yogurt. And it's gonna be definitely be used a lot. Oatmeal, breakfast, steaming your vegetables and stuff, instead of putting so much in the larger one. So I'm really pleased with this. So I guess I got to put it together because, okay, it has the this on it. This is, let me tell you some of it now, because I don't know about this one. So because this one is a different model, but this is where the steam come, and I know I have to put this part here on the back of it. This should goes right back here, because this is what my other one just snaps on. Can you see that? See where I snapped it on? Just snaps in the back. Let's see. See, I had a hard time with my first one. Okay, it's on. And this here is it won't steam if you have to have this on for it to build up the pressure. And I'm gonna have to order some more of these, because for the other one I did order 2, because they said if you're cooking different like desserts and stuff like that, you might not want to use your meat. So I haven't cooked dessert yet in the Instant Pot. And this, what I do is I actually put it in my top rack, my top rack dishwasher. So this is, you gotta have this. You gotta have this on when you use it, and it is easy to put on. Took me a while to learn it with the other one, but it just goes down, and I just slide it like this all the way around, and it goes in there. But I'm gonna rinse it off because I'm gonna do. Well, I really don't have to take it off for the water test. I'm gonna do the water test, and I'm gonna have to look it up. So I'm gonna probably put you on hold while I read the directions for the water test. I haven't did it since I got the first one. So I'm gonna put this on, and I'm gonna come back and get ready for the water test. So let me put you on and come back and then plug it up. Okay, it was taking me too long to get this top on it, but I have to match my arrows, and I turn it. When you turn, just turn it like this. And let me see if I could bring the camera down. Okay, this is what I have here now. Let's see if you can see it. Okay. Okay, so I have, now they said to set it to steam. I don't figure out how to do all of this. Okay, it seems like it's going down like if you're on a TV. And I got to go all the way over there to, okay, now it's flashing. So I guess that's steam, since it's flashing. Now I got to figure out the time. It ain't too hard. Time, just turn it around to 5 minutes. No, they said 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, can you see that? The steam, now it says steam, and it says 2 minutes. So that wasn't too difficult. And let's see. I see diagram below. And I guess I just press start. And it's gonna, and that, which I like about this one, my other one I had to make sure I flip it. This one, I don't have to flip this button, but I know I cannot, when it come up to steam, this silver button is going to rise up, and I cannot open up this Instant Pot until, or take the top off until this button flops down. Right now it's still down. And then with this one, from what I understand, I press, this one says press, I'm going to press this button to release the steam. It says press to vent, turn to stop. So hopefully it's in the right position, and I just wait for it to come up to steam. When it come up to steam, I'll be right back. And isn't it gorgeous? It's so pretty. I know why I'm getting excited like this over Instant Pot, like it's a home decor, you know, piece of furniture or something. But it is pretty. It is pretty. I am very happy with it. So I'll be right back when it come up to steam. Okay, so that is my unboxing of my beautiful Instant Pot. I love it just as much as I love the big one. Steam test went. Everything looks okay. It's time to cook. So that is the end of this video. Please like, share, and if you haven't already done so, again, hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. And I just want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for all your support. I love you all, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye bye. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing.